Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today I'll be helping Mummy Chef to prepare salt mackerel.
Okay, hello again. Yes, so today we're doing salt mackerel. What we do first is to wash off the mackerel just under your tap and then put it to boil because salt mackerel is very salty. This salt mackerel has been boiling for a while. So I'm going to take the salt mackerel out now, get rid of the water, and then I'm going to put it into some fresh cold water. So right now what we're going to do is to clean up the salt mackerel, break it up into smaller pieces so that the water can get some of the salt out of it. I'm going to take off the bones, the fins, the head, anything that I do not want. Get rid of that. So this is the salt mackerel. We've broken it into small pieces and cleaned it up, taken out the bones, fins, head, etc. And now I'm going to pour the water off, and then Rachel is going to take over with the cooking of this salt mackerel.
We've already heated up our pot, so now I'm just going to add some oil in. For a start, we're going to add in the garlic, Scotch bonnet pepper and some onions. Now we're going to put in the thyme, the sweet pepper and spring onion. We've been sauteing this for about 5 minutes now, so now we're going to add the mackerel in. We're going to add some mixed herbs. A little bit of fish seasoning. And some black pepper. We're going to add a little bit of ketchup.
Some people tip a little bit of sugar in there, like half a teaspoon. It helps to bring the flavor together, but we're not going to add that to ours. Some people also put a little bit of butter in.
We're going to cover it now and leave it for a few minutes to simmer. With the salt mackerel, we'll be having banana, yam, plantain and banana dumplings. The link for the banana dumplings will be in the description box.